In this video, we're gonna see a Firefly 3 review. Firefly 3 is an open-source, self-hosted personal finance management tool designed to help individuals and households track expenses, manage budgets, and gain insights into their financial health. It emphasizes privacy and control by allowing users to host the application on their own servers. Firefly 3 employs a double-entry accounting system, ensuring accurate financial tracking. Users can manage accounts in different currencies, making it suitable for those dealing with international finances. The application offers budgeting features, allowing users to set spending limits. Also, it supports important transactions via CSV files and integrates with various banks through APIs. Users can schedule recurring transactions, and transactions can be categorized and tagged for detailed analysis and reporting. It has very powerful privacy and control management, comprehensive features, active development and community, and also users can tailor the application to their specific needs. But setting up Firefly 3 requires some technical knowledge. New users may find the interface and feature overwhelming initially. While accessible via mobile browser, the application lacks a dedicated mobile app, and integration with banks may require additional configuration. So Firefly 3 is a powerful tool for individuals seeking a self-hosted solution for personal finance management. Its comprehensive features and emphasis on privacy makes it an attractive option for tech-savvy users. However, the initial setup and learning curve may pose challenges for those less familiar with self-hosting and financial software. And that's it, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.